Welcome and hello if you are new here. Today it is a video talking about designer sandals, designer sliders, designer sandals. I just thought it would be a really good video because summer is here and I just thought, why not? I mean, I have had a lot of sliders in my life, so I thought I'm going to invest in a designer pair, so I thought it would be the best idea to talk to you about the different types of designer sliders out there on the market at the moment. We've got some Gucci gang, we've got some Givenchy, I've done extensive research into Balenciaga, and of course could not resist the Gucci thong sandal. So sit down, chill out, get excited, and if you are looking for an investment slider or sandal, hopefully this video will help you. So let's go. So the way it's going to work, if you are new to my channel, maybe you've not seen my hauls before, I'm basically going to talk about them sat here, and then I'm going to flip over to that and I'm going to show you them on my feet. So also everything is going to be linked beneath this video. Just click show more or click the little arrow. And also if you are new, if you could click subscribe, that would be amazing because it does really help my channel. So thank you in advance if that is you. Okay, so we're going to start with these ones, the Gucci rubber sliders. So I could have ordered these in every kind of print because I really wanted to show you them all in a video, but I was like, no, that's not a wise idea. So I will put some pictures up of the other ones I'm talking about that I didn't order. So these ones, the reason I ordered these is because they say a big Gucci on them. I feel like they're going to be very popular this year and they're nice and rubber. These are just basically a standard kind of slider. I have sliders and I wear them like walking around the whole of Barcelona, and they are comfortable if you get the right ones, and I think these ones are going to be comfortable and durable because this bit is rubber, and then obviously it's just got the standard kind of slider bottom. It says Gucci here, it has the Gucci logo here. Oh my god, you're going to be so bougie in the sand with like your Gucci slamming down. But I think these are for girls, but you could definitely get these unisex, and I know that the guys tend to go for the ones with the big black band and the green in the middle. I'll pop a picture here. My brother was like, you should have ordered these ones, but I think they're the guys ones. I think these are a little bit nicer. Like, I would personally choose these ones over it. I just think it's nicer. It says Gucci on them. So these ones are £215, which is actually about average for a designer pair of sliders. And what I would say with these ones is that they also have these in the material version. Again, a picture here, so it's the canvas here, and I actually really like those ones. I just couldn't decide. They had one with strawberries on and one with the Gucci kind of logo on. So if you are someone that prefers the traditional Gucci logo over the newish Gucci logo, then there are your two options. You can get this in canvas or you can get it in rubber. Also guys, if you're watching this video and you're thinking, you are crazy spending £200 on a pair of sliders when I can get a copy of them in Primark, then this video is not for you. But obviously there are lots of dupes around. I know that Adidas do amazing just like plain sliders, so if that's you, then go for it. But this is me more talking about designer ones. So next up, before I go into the other sliders, I have to talk about the Gucci thong sandal. If you guys have me on Instagram, if you don't, do come say hello. You'll know that I've been raving about these. Someone actually messaged me and she was like, I got them and I recommend sizing down. I just tried these in my normal size and they actually seem fine for me, but maybe order 2 sizes or whatever. But I would say actually not, my normal size was fine with this, and I have wide feet. They're just gorgeous. You guys probably know by now that I'm a bit Gucci obsessed. I have a lot of Gucci Mom Want stuff. I've got the Gucci Mom Want belt, the Gucci Mom Want bags. Yeah, I'm a bit of a sucker for Gucci. And I just think these are so nice. I think they're timeless, beautiful, and yes, they are just a thong sandal with a double G on, but I don't care. I like it. I like named things. But I just think they're really classy how the double G is actually quite small, but it's still enough to show you that it's Gucci branded. And the beneath's actually really cute because they have the Gucci B on them, which I think is really nice. And I actually think obviously the quality of these is better than the sliders. You've got your kind of rubber here and this is leather, but the price reflects that because these ones cost £360, so they're obviously more expensive. They do these in loads of different colours. I struggle to decide between the tan, the black and the beige. The beige ones are gorgeous. They're like a cream colour, but I just felt tan would go with everything for summer. They also do neon ones. If you want to save £5, they're £355, but they're like bright neon. You probably don't need me to tell you that these ones are probably more for the beach and the pool, whereas these ones would take you from day to night. You could wear them to more of a really lovely resort. You could wear them for your breakfast, then wear them to a really nice dinner after, and I love nice dinner sandals, so I think these are probably more versatile. But then again, I've had sliders my whole life and I don't really care. I always wear them, so it's completely up to you. Next up, let's talk about Givenchy. So Balenciaga do pretty much the exact same sandals as these, which is why I didn't order them, because I'm telling you, they are literally identical, maybe just a little bit thicker at the sides, but I'll pop a picture there. Both of these come in black and white. I think the Balenciaga ones do as well. The Givenchy ones are $195, actually making them the cheapest out of all of the designer sliders, which I think is really cool. You might be sat there like, oh my god, that is still so expensive, but in the grand scheme of things, when we're talking about designer, that is an affordable designer purchase. I know, crazy, isn't it? And so the Balenciaga ones, from memory, were $385. These ones were $195. I mean, of course I was going to order these ones over Balenciaga. I don't know, maybe you guys think Balenciaga's a better brand, but I personally think these are lovely. Also, everyone laughs at me in my designer videos when I pronounce this, so I'm not even going to say it. I'm not French, guys. I'm clearly not good enough at pronouncing it. So, I ordered these and I got the male version because I cannot find the female ones in white anywhere. Someone did DM me on Instagram and they did say that you can get the female version in white, so if I find them, I'll link below, but I have been looking for literally 2 years and I've only ever found the white ones in the male version. I have no idea why. The smallest size I do is a size EU39, which is the equivalent to a UK 6, so I got a UK 6. I would say these come up big. I have wide feet and these are big on me, so I don't know if they're going to be that comfortable or fit my feet well enough to walk in, because I do find that with sliders they start off quite tight and then they stretch a little bit anyway. They usually have a bit of give in them, but I would say that these are bigger sizing. So say if you were a UK size 7, I would get a size 6 in these and you would probably be fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to link the black ones below, picture here, and I'm also going to link the white ones below so you can find both. You might love the all black ones, but I personally really wanted the white ones. I think they're so cool. But yeah, these ones feel flimsier, I would say, than the Gucci ones. The Gucci ones are heavier, these ones are a lot lighter, but again, the price probably reflects that these ones are more expensive. And also these ones are rubber, and these ones are the same kind of, oh no, these are actually rubber as well. These look a lot more kind of toy-like and rubbery in comparison to these ones. Let me just hold them side by side so you can see, but I just feel like the thickness, yeah, actually, the Gucci ones are just bigger in general, and they both have the logo at this side. So I would say the Gucci ones are definitely better quality and will probably last you longer, but it depends, maybe you just like the way that these look. I know that I think these just look super cool. Next up, we are on to the Gucci sliders, which this is very exciting because these are new in this season and I'm very, very, very excited to see them. I've also got them in white and they actually haven't arrived on time, so I'm going to pop a clip of them here that I'm going to film tomorrow when they do arrive. Could not find them in white on the Gucci website. I had to buy them from a different designer website, so I will link those ones below. But I just thought maybe people don't want neon sandals. It's a bit weird from Gucci to only do these in neon. I mean, you're going to stand out with your Gucci gang sandals at the pool at least. But I think these are cool, so to compare them to these ones, they're literally the exact same. These are obviously just different at the front. But they did these in a few weird colours, I would say, which is why I wanted to get the white ones to show you a more neutral version of them if they're the ones you want. Price-wise, let me just get my little black book of prices. I wanted to write these down. Okay, so these ones are $225, which, again, I think that's pretty standard for designer sandals. As I said, these at $195 are the cheapest so far, and then you've got your Balenciagas at like $365, $385. Yeah, I think actually they are nice. I love the logo. I feel like because it's all the same colour, ooh, it's really nice. And I don't know, the neon is actually growing on me. They're not like crazy neon. That's why I went for the orange, because I just think they're a little bit nicer than like the bright pink ones and the yellow ones they did. I guess the reason they've gone for such bright colours is because it's summer, people want to dress up, wear bright things, and like I said, you can always get the canvas version of these if you do want to keep it a bit more monochrome or keep it with those neutrals and the traditional Gucci print. So guys, a little conclusion. These are absolutely my favourite. I feel like I probably shouldn't have put them in a video with designer sliders because obviously they're not sliders, they're different. I know you slide your feet into them, but they are different and you can tell. I mean, they're so classy, they're so classic. They're going to be on your wardrobe for a long time. You can wear them years after year, you can wear them year after year, and I think they're great if you're going to like a lovely luxury resort, wear them on the sand, then wear them to a lovely restaurant for dinner. I just think they are beautiful, and I love that the logo is there, but it's not too big and it's not too in your face, but you still know that you're wearing a designer pair of sandals. I actually think the quality of these is lovely, and I'm a sucker for the little B underneath. It's the little details. I just think these are gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Also, before I forget, they do Gucci espadrilles now that are £400. I'll pop a picture here if you're into more of your espadrilles. They're quite cute. I didn't order them because I already have Chanel ones, but they're quite different if you are wanting something alongside these that's quite nice and luxurious and a bit more lifelong. These ones, I think these are gorgeous. I think the colour is amazing. I think these are just so beautiful and obviously very in-your-face designer, but I love the black and white monochrome. I think they're so cool. These ones, I kind of like the toy-like Gucci logo. I think they're cool. They're not my favourite ones, and I actually think I would prefer the canvas ones. I love the ones with strawberries on, and I kind of regret not ordering those ones. These ones have completely grown on me, and I think these are probably going to be the best sellers out of all of them. I feel like they work for him and her. I feel like it's cute because it's all one colour, and I'm actually quite into the bright colours. There are some Gucci sandals that I really want that are like crossover. I'm going to leave a picture here because by the time this video goes live, they will be available to buy. But they were on pre-order when I ordered these sandals, and they're the ones I would have got to wear alongside these ones. But yeah, I think these are going to be perfect for the beach, for Barcelona, for European breaks, for the Maldives. And again, as long as you look after them, I think they're going to be fine. Like, they are good quality, and I just think they're nice. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you if you are looking to invest in a designer pair of sliders or sandals. As mentioned, everything in this video is linked underneath the video. Come say hi on Instagram and Twitter. Let me know that you're watching, and it would be amazing if you could help me out by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you, guys. Bye.